Welcome to the Home Cool Gadgets channel, where you can find the latest gadgets that came in the market.
If you're tired of struggling to reach and clean those high-up ceiling fan blades or simply looking for a more efficient way to keep your fans dust-free, this ingenious tool is about to become your new cleaning companion. The Ceiling Fans Dust Cleaner offers the perfect solution for a spotless and fresh-looking fan. To save your time and money, we've completed our research and review 5 different models of Ceiling Fans Dust Cleaner on the market. You can see the link to the products in the description of the video below.
Number 1.
What's more annoying than dusting, you ask? Nothing. I'm living in a house full of dust. In the corner, in the tight spaces, on top of the furniture, and on the ornaments. Dusting is literally killing me, but I'm glad I have the Rocktex Duster Kit. You can bend the head to any angle. It covers a large surface. See how clean it is? Rocktex netted fiber attracts dust like a magnet. Dusting becomes so easy. It's soft and voluminous and wool-free. It won't scratch your furniture. So you can use it to clean delicate surfaces. You can easily assemble the pole to the length you need. It's super light and durable. No matter it's dust or a cobweb, on the corner of high ceilings or a dusty ceiling fan, Rocktex on it. And for all those tight spaces, flexible vent duster got it. For cleaning window blinds and crevices. It also has a scratch-resistant hat. It's washable and quick-dry, and gets fluffier after washing. And it's storage-friendly with the hanging pole. Honestly, I have to say, Rocktex makes all the hard tasks easy. What's more, there are 4 different color choices. Your best dusting team. Rocktex.
Number 2.
Introducing Blade Maid, the fast, easy, no-mess way to clean your ceiling fans. No ladder needed. Watch as Blade Maid lifts, traps and captures the dust up there, so virtually nothing gets on the floor or into your air. Blade Maid is no ordinary duster. It's an amazing cleaning tool with 2 microfiber pads filled with hundreds of dust-collecting fingers that attract and trap dust like a magnet, all housed in a 4-sided capture sleeve that lets you clean the top, bottom and sides of your fan blade at once, saving you time. It's the best at getting all that mess. Plus, it's angled to fit, so virtually all your ceiling fan blades will be dirt, dust and debris free with the Blade Maid. And because the easy grip telescoping handle extends to reach up high, there's no ladder needed. Even sticky, cobweb-filled outdoor fan blades are no trouble for the Blade Maid.
I have really high ceilings, so Blade Maid's extendable handle makes getting to those really hard to reach areas super simple.
And simply remove the top, and Blade Maid becomes the best no-bending baseboard and ceiling duster ever. Plus the pads are reusable and machine washable. Call Global Shop Direct or go online now to get Blade Maid for the low price on your screen. You'll get a telescoping handle that extends to 91 centimeters, plus 2 reusable microfiber heads. And for higher ceiling fans, upgrade to Blade Maid Deluxe with the extra long telescoping handle. Plus it comes with a bonus flexible dusting brush, perfect for dusting flat screens, blinds and more. It's yours as an added bonus when you order Blade Maid Deluxe today.
Number 3. Each microfiber has a slight positive charge and is so tiny it's 100 times finer than a human hair with an extended duster for high ceilings and fans. Extends to 4.5 feet. Reach up to 8 to 10 feet when standing. Included is an EVERSPROUT extension pole 1.5 to 3 feet and flexible microfiber ceiling fan duster 25x4x4. Microfiber duster twists onto 3-stage aluminum extension pole and extends to any custom length from 1.5 to 4.5 feet. Reach up to 8 to 10 feet when standing. Arrives flat, bendable to any shape to clean high ceiling. The flexible microfiber ceiling fan duster can be bent to any shape so you can clean your high ceiling fans, no matter what type of fan blade. Ideal for cleaning tall ceiling fans but also great for other hard to reach spots inside and outside. Ultra lightweight aluminum pole weighs less than a pound and is extremely sturdy. Non-slip foam hand grips for comfort and reliable grip in wet conditions. Frustration-free flip tab locking mechanism means no sections getting stuck. Number 4. 3 accessories can meet all your cleaning needs, allow you to reach high vaulted ceilings and ceiling fans and high ceiling dust. Very friendly user experience. You can easily use it and clean ceilings, high corners, etc. Flexible dust removal head. This blue microfiber dust removal head is flexible, making it one of the most widely used dust removal tools. You will be able to reach corners and clean irregular shaped items. Remove dust from kitchen utensils, blinds, picture frames, TV screens and cars. Stay away from ladders. The dust you can't see is also hard to reach, but using a swinging ladder is very dangerous. Using a high ceiling dust collector with extension rods can avoid the risk of falling, while keeping the house clean and sanitary, while keeping your feet firmly on the floor. Easy to replace. All dust heads are easy to clean. The dust collector head with threaded attachment is also easy to replace. It is easy to clean and can be used repeatedly. So now you also save money, environment and time. Nylon cobweb duster head. This duster is great for attracting cobwebs and not leaving webs stuck to the walls. Microfiber chenille duster head. This duster is a great option for gaining extra reach and also getting into tight areas. It is bendable and washable. Microfiber duster head, great for everyday cleaning, easy attachment to extension pole.